Good morning students. We have completed exercise 6.2 up to question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then summative assessment part B question number 1 and 2 I told you. Now look at question number 3. Find the least number by which 294 must be multiplied to make it a perfect square. 294, by which number should we multiply so that it will be a perfect square? So what is the method bete? To write 294 and make it, try to find the prime factors of this. So 2 1 are 2, then 2 4 are 8 and 2 7 are 14. Now 147 is there. Now try to find the next number, next prime number by which 147 is divisible, and I think it is 3. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 is divisible by 3. So therefore 147 is divisible by 3. 3 4 are 12, 2 remainder, 2 9s are 27. Now 49, it is divisible by 7, 7 7s are 49, now 7 is divisible by 1. So therefore 294, prime factors of 294 is 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. These are the prime factors of 7. It is not a perfect square. Why? Because 2 and 3 are not occurs in pair. If these also occurs in pair, then we can say it will be a perfect square. Now what number is required to make it a perfect square from here? Because 2 is not in pair and 3 is not in pair, only one pair is there, that is 7. So there 294 if multiplied by 2 and 3, because 1 2 is required. If 1 2 is there, then 2 will be in pair, and 1 3 is there, then 3 is also in pair. Multiplied by 2 and 3, that is by 6. 2 into 3 is what? 6. Then 294 will be a perfect square. So what is the method? Method is this: if any question is like this, ki by find the smallest number by which we multiply the given number, that it will be a perfect square. So what is the method? Find the prime factors, all the possible prime factors of the given number. Then because the prime factors, product of prime factors is equal to given number, observe the product. If pair of all the numbers are there, then it will be a prime factor. It will be a perfect square. But because 2 is not in pair and 3 is not in pair, so 1 2 is required, 1 3 is required. That is, if we multiply it by 2 into 3 by 6, so 6 is the smallest number. Then 294 will be a perfect square. Is it clear? So therefore answer is 6. Answer is 6. If we multiply 294 by 6, then it will be a perfect square. Now look at the next question. The same way, find the least number by which 294 that we have completed. Find the smallest number by which 5808 should be multiplied so that it will be a perfect square. What is the number? 5808. In the same way, you should do the prime factors of 5808. It is question number 4. Prime factors of this: 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, 2 9s are 18, 0, 2 4s are 8. Again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 5s are 10, then 2 2s are 4. Again it is divisible by 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Again by 2 because even number is there, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now 363, this is left. So 363 is divisible by 3, 3 6 9, 9 or 3 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now 121, it is divisible by 11, 11 11s are 121, again by 11, 11 1s are 11. So what is left bete? The prime factors of 5808 is equal to what? 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 1 3 is left. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, pair of these, one pair of 2, another pair of 2, it is very good, into 3, into 11 into 11. So pair of 11 is there, pair of 2 is there, pair of 2 is there. What is left? Only 3 is without pair. So therefore 5808 should be multiplied with by 3, so that it will be a perfect square. It stands for what? 5888 will be perfect square. Now this part is complete. So what you have to do, if this question is there, कि by what number we should multiply, to do the prime factorization, and whatever is the number left, one more 3 is required, then it will comes in pair. There are two methods to solve this question. ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि by what number we should divide 5808. अब either 1 3 is required or you remove this 3. One way is this कि एक 3 और लगा दो. Second way is what कि इस 3 को भी हटा दो. तो if we multiplied by 3 or we divide by 3, then it is the same thing. अगर क्वेश्चन ये आए कि by what number should 5808 should be divided so that the result will be a complete square, then what it is? Then also it is the same thing. How it is same thing? By either you remove this 3. This 3 can be removed if we divide it by 3. Then 3 to 3 cancel. Just like next question है, find the smallest number. Now it is the question number. If any question is there, divisible by, find the smallest number by which this is divisible by 3, then only you can do like this, or you should use this method. Now next question I want to solve. Question number 5. देखो बेटे कैसे होगा 5. What is the smallest number that means be subtracted from? What smallest number should be subtracted from? Find smallest number that must be subtracted from 5,49,162 to make it a perfect square. This is the question, and it is question number 5. The smallest number that must be subtracted. जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 किया था मैंने, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, what was they are the smallest number. What is this? This is question number 6 कि find the smallest number that must be added to this. But in this what, question number 5, what is the smallest number that must be subtracted from 5,49,162 to make it a perfect square. Now I have to find the smallest number. So what you should do in this beta, you find the square root of the given number. Write this number. Solution. Find the square root of 5,49,162 by long division method. And what is that method? Make the pair from the right sides like this. One pair is 62, another pair is 91, and the last pair is 54. So now take the table. 6 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64. 64 is greater than 54. So 7 7 is 49. What is left? Leftover number is 5. 14 minus 9 is 5. Now this 91 is taking down 91. The next step is double of this, double of 7, that is 14. Now try to take 14 table up to 59. So 14 4 ja 14 1 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28, 14 3 ja 42, 14 4 ja 56. So 4 ja. Put that 4 in the quotient also and in the divisor also. Now 144 into 4, what is that? 576. 4 4 ja 16, 1 carry, 4 4 ja 16 or 1, 7, 17, and 4 1 ja 4 or 5. This 11 minus 6 is now what? 5, and 8 minus 7 is 1. 15 is left. Now taking the last pair down, that is 62. Now what should be the next step? Double of 74. What is the double of 74? 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 148. Now take the 14 table up to 156 और 14 की टेबल 1 तक ले जाओ. What is that? 1. Because 14 1 जा 14, 1 पे जाएगी. 1481 1 पे ये आएगी. माइनस करो. 2 minus 1 1, 16 minus 8 take carry 8. 81 is the remainder. रिमाइंडर 0 तो आएगा नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट ए परफेक्ट स्क्वेयर. 5,49,162 is not a perfect square. Now whenever question is like this कि what must be subtracted, so this number should be subtracted. Whatever is remainder, when we find the square root of the given number by using long division method, then whatever is the remainder, so therefore 81 should be subtracted from 5,49,162 so that it will be a perfect square. तो therefore आंसर इज 81. जो भी रिमाइंडर आए वही आंसर. if we have to subtract, then find the perfect square and whatever is the remainder, that is answer. But if question is in reverse direction, what should be added in this? तो क्या किया था हमने, देन इसका रिमाइंडर का कोई रोल नहीं है, देन वट एवर बी द आंसर, वट एवर बी द क्वोशिएंट, इसके सक्सेसर का स्क्वायर में से ये माइनस कर दो, ऐड करना होता, जस्ट लाइक क्वेश्चन 1 and 6। तो इस 741 का सक्सेसर क्या होगा, 742, स्क्वायर ऑफ 742 माइनस दिस, वट एवर इज द आंसर दैट शुड बी एडिड, और सब्ट्रैक्ट में रिमाइंडर शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड। ओके बेटे, नाउ रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन, द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 is also same thing. 6 we have already done, what should be added to this, and 7th question is this, find the देखो ये ऐसा, find the greatest 4-digit perfect square, greatest 4-digit perfect square। तो चलो वो भी करते हैं, what is the greatest 4-digit perfect square। तो what is the greatest number of 4 digit, can you tell me what is the greatest number of 4 digit? 9999, 9999, this is the greatest 4-digit number। The greatest 4-digit number is 999949। This is the greatest 4-digit number, but what I have to tell, greatest 4-digit perfect square, तो again use the same method। अब देखो बेटे, ये ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है, अगर इसमें ऐड कर दिया ना, 1 भी ऐड कर दिया तो ये 5 डिजिट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। तो 4 डिजिट नंबर दैट शुड बी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, वो इसमें से कुछ न कुछ माइनस करना पड़ेगा, प्लस तो होगा नहीं। इफ़ वी ऐड समथिंग इन दिस देन इट विल बी चेंज इनटू 5 डिजिट। तो नाउ पेयर इज कंप्लीट देयर, 1 पेयर इज दिस साइड, फ्रॉम दिस साइड 1 पेयर, सेकंड पेयर। नाउ अप टू 99, 10 10 जा 100 इज ग्रेटर देन 99, तो 9 पे जाएगी फर्स्ट टेबल, 9 9 जा 81, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, 9 माइनस 1 8, 9 माइनस 8 1, 99, ये पेयर नीचे आ जाएगा। 99 इज व्हाट इज द डबल ऑफ 9, 18। नाउ ट्राई टू फाइंड वन नंबर सच दैट, अब 18 1 जा 18, इट इज़ नॉट सफिशिएंट, तो इंक्लूड दिस ऑल्सो 189, व्हाट इज 18 9 जा 18, 10 जा 180, तो इट शुड बी एट 9। व्हेन बाउंड्री पे बात है ना, तो 189 इज ग्रेटर देन 10 टाइम्स, जब 10 पे तो टेबल जाएगा नहीं, 9 पे ही जाएगा। पुट 9 here and 9 here, मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाई 9, व्हाट वी विल गेट, 9 9 जा 81, 8 कैरी, 9 8 जा 72 और 8 80, 8 कैरी, 9 1 जा 9 और 8 7, इट इज दिस। तो 198 इज द रिमाइंडर, 198 is the remainder, because we want to find the 4-digit number which is a perfect square. So therefore if we subtract this number from 9999, then we will get perfect square. Therefore 9999 minus 198, this is equal to what, 9801 is largest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. What we have to find, the greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. So greatest 4 digit number is this. Try to find the square root. 198 is the remainder. If we subtract 198 from this, then we will get this, and this one is a perfect square. Why we subtract it? If we add something in this, then we will get a smallest 5 digit number, but we want to tell the greatest 4 digit number. So this is the greatest 4 digit number, which is a perfect square. So okay student, this is sufficient for today. I will discuss the remaining question in next lecture. Wait for that. Thank you. Have a nice day.